Are you Jamaican? Are you really Jamaican? Boom, but I will let the cucumber them out. John, oh dog, the whole like cucumber them dash with dog. Watch it. Well, we knew bear was involved. Look at that. 3 bear surrounded the cucumber them. What you doing, babe?
Getting Mr. Chase ready for inside.
I got some cucumbers for you.
Oh my god, I don't want any.
You want some susumba?
No.
You want some susumba? Guys, I come out here to Home Depot right now, guys, and I see a bag of cucumbers. Lego. Jano in Home Depot looking for a filter.
I've come to the conclusion that the older you get, these places become like your best friend.
Yes. Home Depot is like our best friend now.
And when I was younger, I hated Home Depot.
Home Depot, my best friend. Guys, me know you know the song, you know. Comment down below right now the song right now.
On the mission for... What are we here for? Oh, an AC filter.
We just said about 10 seconds ago. Jesus.
And something for Chase.
Yeah. We're gonna look if they have it.
A baby gate thing to put him down on the ground in the living room, but so he can't escape.
We have a malfunction here.
We didn't take out the filter.
We forget what size the filter is.
But from a good memory, I'm thinking it's 18 by 20 by 1.
I feel like it's wrong.
I feel like you don't know anything.
I don't remember why I didn't take it out. I always take it out and check it before.
Oh, we should get this. It's a
3-pack for $9. Sure, people problems be like. Mom, do you need any help, mom?
Yes.
Mom, do it again, let me see. Look at that. Alright, I got you. It just go so. And look here, boom.
Hopefully it's the right size.
So there's the safety stuff all over here, and I think we'll be coming to this section every day of the week.
Definitely.
All this right here. Alright guys, we just got back from Home Depot, and yeah, I have a bone to pick, guys. I have a big bone, guys. Honestly, I have the frustration when I hear this to me. Like, I always hear it. Are you Jamaican? Are you really Jamaican?
When we were cashing out, the lady went straight Spanish.
Yeah, like she went straight 100 Spanish, and then I told her I'm from Jamaica. She was like, no, you're Cuban. She tell me a Cuban. Although me kind of look Cuban, still me not gonna lie. Yeah, me always get it like 100%. When you live in Florida, guys, you're gonna get it. Like it's 100% sure that you're going to get it. It don't really bother me that much, you know. It's just it's just stereotyping.
But they always assume.
Yeah.
But you never like.
They expect a Jamaican to look like a Rasta, like a Bob Marley. Everybody expects Jamaican.
Yeah. Jamaican.
You know, you could be Usain Bolt. You know, you could be my color. You could be Daniel's color. I mean, you can be like Chase color too. Chase is on the floor right now. You can also be Tony and Singh. I mean, there's beautiful colors out there from Jamaica, guys. So I don't know why they just expect you to be looking like a Rasta, Bob Marley. They always. I'm not lying to you guys.
She went full force too. Like I couldn't even stop her and say I don't understand what she's saying.
Yeah, and then she's like, where you from? Where you from? I was like, I'm Jamaican, Jamaica. Jamaica, Spanish term is Jamaica. And she's like, no, you Cuban. You Cubano. You look Cuban. I was like,
I should have been like, see, yes, he's Cuban.
Yeah. Are you really Jamaican? Really? That kind of bothered me, dog.
Aw, poor baby.
Man, a Jamaican, dog. For real.
Poor baby.
No problem. They wanna hate on me, no problem. I from Cuba, me speak a little Spanish. I mean, oh
my god.
You know, un poquito el español, you know, un poquito.
That's actually right? No, a little Spanish. That means a little Spanish.
Like, I can understand some of it, guys, but, you know, because, you know, when you're back in school, you used to, like, know certain things. Like, you know, we used to know if we talk to girls, like, te amo mucho, mi amor.
Oh, my
when
God.
I came up here, I was like, hey, te amo, baby. You know, when you have a Spanish girlfriend where you just move here, you know.
You should know about that.
Well, we'll leave that to another story, guys. If you guys want to know, my first relationship was a Spanish girlfriend. I'll leave it like that. Okay.
Comment down below. We need to know more.
What we are going to do right now, we have this guy right here. Look at him.
Eating bugo.
He's eating bugos, guys. Look on it. No, show them. Bugo.
Where's the bugo?
What we were supposed to do, but Drew went on to a date, guys. And how was the date?
It was good.
It was good, right?
Yeah.
Excellent. Good. And that, by the way, guys, that's with Tish, guys. Obviously, you know, he's a very faithful man, and you know, you have to commend him. In our family, we are the most faithful men out of Jamaica. You know. No people getting things said.
Wow.
Guys, don't believe it. Don't ever. See, I got Joe as witness
Let me
here.
explain something to you.
Explain to them.
We cheat on our women. We have a mother. But whoop our asses with a wooden spoon, with a slipper broomstick.
True.
And I have
afraid
Chase.
of my mother,
I have Chase to do this.
like, you know, you make me look like me some terrible person.
No, not just you. It made us both of us.
Yeah,
look bad.
like.
Get over it.
Like we're not loyal men.
So guys, we're in a messy room right now.
I didn't show them. I changed the room around
Yeah.
from how it was. So I put the crib over here.
Yeah.
And then I put the dresser right
The crib
here.
that he never sleeps in, but he stays in for a couple seconds and then.
Yeah, in the days I put him in there. So, and then look what somebody puts in the room that's not supposed to be in the room, but
You
it's
know,
in the room because he put it in the room.
Yo, this kind of bad still. This is my Funko Pops guys. I'm trying to get up here. And
Hell no,
all gonna be
this is
kids.
not your room.
Like literally, you know, I have a dozens of them right here as you can see.
Dozens.
Dozens.
He has a bunch of them. His collection is getting bigger, but
Bigger,
I don't know where he's gonna put them.
That's why we have to go buy one another house. Cause we want to put them where our whole room, like a actual gaming room, and set up a side for Chase too, like a nice little gaming area too for him. Cause you know he's gonna be a gamer one of these days, right, Chase? As you can see, the crib we're about to put it down right now. So don't worry about there's no bed in here. The bed is right there.
The bed is right here, guys.
And yeah, what I want.
So we need to drop this. Oh, who put all of those stuff right there?
That's definitely mommy. That's definitely mommy.
Oh, really?
Oh, so let me tell you guys what we want to do. Okay, so right here, just show them. You see at this wall, right here to this wall. Eventually, what we want to do is put two, like the sliding glass doors.
The French doors.
The French doors, yeah, not sliding glass. Sorry. French doors where you can open and you can see inside. You know, it'd be nice with Chase inside and we can see him. But in the time being, what we might do is buy the yard gate, one of the yard gates that come all the way down here and block it off.
Yeah, because he's busy on the ground.
Yeah, like you can see right now, he's very busy. And we want to actually put more carpeting in here, or more of these.
No, I have more of them too.
Yeah.
But I just don't know where I'm gonna put them.
Yeah, so that's what we really want to work on right now, guys. Is eventually, you know, when the money right.
Guys, he's always on the ground, so we have to be looking about ways to like leave him on the ground but make sure that he's safe.
Yeah.
So like we had to even put all of these on it, and he's been trying to pick them off.
Yeah. And he likes to roam around like real fast too. Like he moves at a high speed rate.
Yes.
He like, me not like to you, he could win the baby crawling contest. There should be a race. Comment down below if there's such thing right now, because I'll enter Chase right now with money.
Especially if he has something in his hand and he doesn't want you to get it, he speeds off.
He speeds off and run go get it. Watch it. Drop.
Drew and Chad.
You're doing it the right way.
Mostly Drew, not really Chad.
Look like I need to get an expert in here. Alright, let me get the other key.
Yes, check that one.
I had to do this all by myself.
Daniel, let me help.
Okay.
I'm just finishing it up.
Yeah.
These guys couldn't manage it.
Okay, yeah, sure. Sure. As you can see, it's now in the place.
And he has a horsey bed set.
Yeah. Actually, yeah, that's kind of zebra-ish. Yeah, or a horse.
No, it's
a horse. He has horses everywhere, guys.
That's a zebra on his thing.
Yeah, look.
That's a unicorn.
That's a horse and unicorn is the same thing.
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
A unicorn is a unicorn.
A unicorn is mythology.
What should I say a while ago?
A unicorn is a unicorn, a horse is a horse.
Exactly.
Alright, so what we're going to do right now, we're going to actually put Chase in there right now and see how he likes it. You know, he has to roam a little in this area because, you know, he doesn't really sleep in it. But he'll be in there for like a couple seconds and want to try to climb out, right? Because he's very slick with
Let me tell you something. If I had to have a child again, this I would not get.
You wouldn't get a crib yet?
Not yet.
You'd have to wait till like when
Maybe
him get
6
older.
months.
Guys, he has not slept in the crib. I'll be dead one time. One time.
And that was during the day.
Yeah.
And he woke up.
This do him turn on, guys. This has
Yes,
never
it
turned
has.
on. Okay, okay. You don't even know if we use it. I can tell you say it never turn on yet. Waste of money. Waste of money.
You cannot buy that. That was in the registry.
Waste of money. So we're testing out Chasey in his new crib. As you can see, he's gonna try to climb up on it. Look, 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 look.
Perfect.
It's perfect for him. It's perfect. Hi. Hi. Hello. Hi. You can't climb up now. You're trying to climb up. Yeah, there you go.
You did it.
You did it. Look, guys.
Wow.
Yeah. You're up there now. You can actually touch these things. Touch it. Yeah, touch it. Yeah. You're on there now.
Well, actually, we put it in the last one.
Yeah, it's a good thing we did because we were thinking about putting it in the middle way. But
He's so tall.
he's really tall, guys. So he actually is perfect size because he's.
And look at this.
Babe, can you imagine? Can you imagine? Next five months from now, he will be in the crib, right? And the climbing out of the crib,
Oh no.
like gangster style, like he was doing a robbery.
Guys, you still have to put these up.
Thanks to Drew. This guy right here, he said he was gonna put it up, but he never did. He never did.
Got those like a week ago.
No.
Since Chase was like 1.
No.
1 month, yeah. We had that since Chase was 1 month.
Wow. I'm the
Damn.
bad guy.
Yeah, Drew be looking fly, dog. You be looking fly, dog.
Drew went on.
No homo. You looking fly, dog.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, he went on a date. That's why he looked like that. Catch him on an ugly day, bro. Guys, the good thing about this, guys, I'm not gonna lie, this will get his balance up. He be balancing. Look at him, and biting.
He's teething.
Guys, show them your teeth. Show them your teeth. Show them your teeth. Teeth. Guys, so the past 2 hours, we have noticed Chase has been picking up a little fever here.
Yeah, he had a mild one this morning, but now it's like it keeps coming back. And
we even called the pediatrician, and she FaceTime because there's a new technology thing now, guys. You can actually FaceTime your pediatrician.
But when he was on the phone, he wasn't as bad as he is now.
But now he's actually getting a little bit bad. But we just gave him some of the Tylenol right now, guys, and he's actually a little bit better. But we've been watching him. If he gets any worse, we're gonna have to go to the pediatrician.
So we're just hoping that it's not the flu, because I know a bad flu has been going around. So we have to just watch him. If she said if it gets worse within 2 days, should carry him in. But if he's bad tomorrow, I think we'll go.
Because within the last 2 hours, he's been a little bit fussy, guys. And his nap schedule has been like kind of off.
He hasn't really napped at all. He only slept for like a couple, and like 10 minutes.
Yeah, and every time he would wake up, when both fall asleep, guys, like he would wake up because he's probably in a little bit of pain.
Yeah, I don't know if he has a sore throat or what, so we may have to carry him tomorrow to see.
You say him sound now? He sounds good right now. This is how he's been all day, and until like now him just get back a little bit worse.
I think the pain medication kick in, and but it's like he can't talk, he can't tell you anything. So it's like you don't.
It's so hard. Like he'll like you asking him what's wrong. You don't even know what's going on. It's like you're trying to figure it out. But his fever has like gone away after him just take the Tylenol right now, guys. So just prayers right now, guys. If anything, we'll have to go take him to the doctor. So
tomorrow. He's okay now. So let's just hope he's okay for the rest of the night.
Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash the like button right now, guys. We are going to do notification shout out time. First notification shout out goes to
Trishana Allen.
Big up your damn self. You're gonna go right here. The second notification shout out goes to
Unruly Rush YT.
Big up your damn self. You're gonna go right here. The third and final notification shout out goes to
Valencia Laws.
Big up your damn self. You're gonna go right here. Thank you guys for your love and support. If you want to be a part of notification gang, notification squad, notification notification Chasey, comment down below there right now. Notification get better Chase. Go ahead and comment down below one of those things right now. Smash the like button, subscribe, hit the bell, and you'll be a part of notification shout out team. And as we are doing this video right now, we got this guy right here just eating away.
A fortune cookie.
You don't get shout outs?
You don't have notifications.
Yeah, you don't get
I live here, so I can't really get that.
So he's just shouting out himself right here,
Eating
guys.
fortune cookies.
Yeah.
Have a fortune cookie.
We had some Chinese food, so we're a little bit tired too, so
yes,
we're gonna go
sleep.
Yeah, we're gonna go chill with Chasey right now, guys. And yeah, we'll catch up with you guys later. And we'll see you guys another time. Another dollar makes another fine wine.
Hold on, question for people. Has anybody ever read these fortune cookies? Like, listen to this. Friends long absence are coming back to you. I don't have any friends.
All right, guys. Peace. Love you guys.